Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Emily Wambui Busy at Home. Today we are making candied peanuts to add to our meal planning repertoire so that we can eat more healthy snacks at home. I'm going to show you how to make peanuts two ways. First is roasting them in the oven, but you can also do this on a pan on the stove top. So don't worry if your oven isn't working, but the rest of the steps you just do it on the stove top. I hope you try this recipe, and if you do, please let me know in the comment section below and share some pictures on Instagram and tell me if you loved them. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, karibu sana. Please do hit the subscribe button. In this channel, I help you to make meal planning as easy as possible so that you're eating healthy meals every single day of the week. Also, share this video with someone who would enjoy it. And if you leave a like, you'll be sure to be helping to grow this channel.